In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the agreement template builder in DocuSign eSignature, the 2025 guide. Let's start by logging into your DocuSign account. Head over to DocuSign.com and click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, take a look at your dashboard. To get started with templates, you'll want to navigate to Templates and then click New Template. Alternatively, you can go through Manage Templates and select New. This will set the stage for creating your agreement template. Next, it's time to upload or create your document. You can upload a file that's already prepared in Word, PDF, or another supported format. If you've worked with templates before, you might choose to start from existing template, which gives you the option to modify an existing template. When you're ready, click Next to enter the template builder and move forward with customizing your template. Now let's add recipients and define their roles within the agreement. Instead of naming individuals, define their roles like employee, manager, or client. This method allows for greater flexibility and can be quite efficient, especially when dealing with multiple agreements. If needed, you can assign a signing order, whether it's sequential or parallel, which dictates how and when each recipient will sign the document. Keep in mind that these roles can be reused across various templates, saving you time in the future. Once your recipients are set, proceed with adding fields to your document. The drag and drop fields panel is your main tool here. You can add several elements such as signatures, initials, and the date signed. There are also text fields for inputting names, titles, and other important information. Additionally, you can employ radio buttons, checkboxes, drop-downs, and even calculated fields if your agreement requires them. Assign each field to the appropriate role rather than a specific person, which maintains the flexibility of your template. Moving on to configuring your template options, there are several features you might want to explore. Autoplace or anchor tags allow fields to automatically appear wherever particular keywords are found in your document. Conditional fields are an advanced feature where you can show or hide certain fields based on previous selections made by your recipients. You also have the ability to set up notifications and reminders, tweak expiration settings for when responses are due, and apply branding elements like company logos and colors to maintain consistency with your organization's look and feel. Before finalizing your template, ensure to give it a clear name and description so it's easily identifiable later. You can choose to share this template with team members or restrict access to specific users. Once you're satisfied, simply click Save Template. Finally, when you're ready to use your template, go to Templates and then My Templates. From there, select Use Template, choose your document, and assign the actual recipients. DocuSign will autofill the fields and roles based on your template settings, ensuring everything is ready to go smoothly. After that, send out the envelope for signature and let DocuSign handle the rest.